One of my favorite things to do in the dive industry is the decommissioning of offshore oil platforms. Topside welding and cutting crew comes in, cuts the top package off. We do a heavy lift. They'll go and set explosives down, back the barge away. I got to press the buttons one time. Big explosions, 7 or 8 of them. Everything falls to bottom and we go down, recover everything. It's a lot of fun, a lot of firepower.
My favorite job, inland diving. Inland's pretty much anything within the first 20 feet of water. So we're doing a lot of maintenance, a lot of construction, a lot of inspections, using a variety of different tools. Underwater chainsaws, underwater jackhammers, get creative.
My favorite thing in the dive industry has to be salvage work. It's a gritty type of diving. The visibility's real bad and your blood's going a little bit. You get that gut check from time to time. You know that there's risk involved. But watching something come back out of the water after you've been working on it for 2-3 weeks, it's a good feeling, no doubt about it.
My favorite thing in the industry to do is riser jobs. Bringing in big pipelines, tying it in. The tender's got to rig those things up so that they're either vertical or horizontal. Half the rigging is going to have a come along in it so that we can change the angle of it. We're stabbing bolts, we're using big hydraulic impact wrenches. All the things we thought about when we were a kid, and it's way cooler than you can ever imagine. It's like an erector set on steroids, man.
Sat diving you're the cream of the crop. You're the top guys. You dive the deepest and you're doing the hardest jobs. So when you drop out and into the unknown and you know that I could be the first guy that's actually stood here, you're in a different world. You actually think I can't believe I'm getting paid to do this.